Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating essentials. Make sure Chrome and your OS are updated because outdated builds cause crashes. Next, disable extensions to isolate problematic add-ons. Extensions run code that can destabilize the browser. Once done, clear cache and cookies for affected sites to remove corrupted data. These steps are fast and reveal whether the issue is local to your profile or caused by third-party code. If Chrome stays open after each change, you've isolated the trigger and can proceed. You now perform deeper diagnostics to find the root cause. Start Chrome in incognito or create a fresh user profile. This separates corrupted profile data from the app itself. Then open Task Manager to spot tabs or extensions consuming excessive CPU, GPU, or memory. High usage often causes sudden closures. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings to defaults, and when ready, reinstall Chrome after backing up bookmarks and passwords. Make sure to reinstall the stable channel, so you finish by addressing system-level conflicts that close Chrome unexpectedly. Scan for malware and remove any shady toolbars or apps. Malware injects into browsers and forces crashes. If crashes continue, update GPU drivers or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome because driver bugs frequently trigger terminations. Check system event logs for error codes, then perform a clean reboot to clear residual processes. If none of this works, restore from a known good system, restore point, or contact support with crash logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.